Alrighty guys, welcome back. We didn't quite get to this room yet to finish the 3-wire, so I'll start you off in the hallway. We're gonna go into yesterday's room, and as you remember, I only had the plugs done all throughout there, and then I think I had a couple home runs maybe. Anyways, everything is done now. My coworker did come in and help me finish up a little bit because he finished his room. It's kind of dark over here, but trying to keep it a little bit straighter there for you. This turned out pretty well right here. I can't really see that. Nice and straight. Kind of dark. There's just a pile of lights right there. So anyways, ran all the wire, stapled all of it down on the ceiling, and then he came and finished that third over there, that bedroom, that closet, and that bathroom. So he finished that part, and then I finished all the other stuff. So anyways, you got some stuff going there, which looks pretty decent. I like to do 4 of the stackets, because if you do 3, it's still kind of floppy. So we got, I did 4 here. But there's kind of floppy right there just because that gap is so big. Should have put an extra one, or should have put that one lower so it looked more like that one. Nice and straight. This one kind of bows out a little bit. Try to stay away from that, but I got the home runs and some 3-way wire. And then let's see what he did over here. He just decided to staple it. See, I kind of just like to do the stackets because 1, you don't have to staple it, and 2, it keeps it tighter. This is kind of flopping, and then you want to keep it into the center. Once you put in a second wire, it's too close on one side, or unless you get it just right, but this is too close, but whatever. Anyways, so he has a different style of making up. He likes to leave his wires in the front of the box. I don't. But the way that he does these 3 gangs, I'll show you here in a second. So you probably won't be able to see it. He didn't even, wow, dude, didn't even staple that down. I mean, it's like, here's the box, and the first staple is up here, so that needs a staple right there. So hopefully we don't forget about that. But he likes to go up and down. Can't really see it, it's like way too black in here, and I can't turn on the flashlight, I don't think, on the phone because it's already recording. But anyways, he makes his up and down, I go sideways, and once again he leaves all of his wires at the front of the box. Here's the front of the box, and here's the first wire. They're like almost touching out of the box. So anyways, try to stay away from that because when the sheetrockers come and they cut out, I don't know, their blade on their whatever it's called, the roto zipper, and they go to cut out the box, they grind like the wires in half. So that's why I push the wires back as far as possible so that doesn't happen. But some people just don't care or haven't run into it as much as I have, so leaving the wires at the front of the box is not how I like to do it. But anyways, other than that, that needs to be done from the last room. The home runs are coming through this room to get out of the drop ceiling in the hallway. So anyways, so that'll conclude this room. And I guess I thought this was the last room, but there's that one room in the back because forgot about it because they had a ton of garbage in there, so they just cleaned it out. So we're gonna do that one tomorrow. So I guess all 3 of us will be working in that room and knock it out. So anyways, that concludes this room for the most part, and I guess that'll do it for today. See you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Thanks for all the support recently. Thanks for all the positive feedback on the video about how much money I made last year. I haven't gotten any negative comments yet, so I appreciate that. Appreciate you guys enjoying the videos. Anyways, guys, subscribe if you're new, if you want to follow along. If you do, I'll see you tomorrow. If not, thanks for stopping by. God bless. See you tomorrow. Later.